Okay, so we're going to run through fitting the Precision low speed compression adjuster kit for Super Deluxe and Vivid shocks. So first of all is removal of the low speed adjuster. So with some Nipex or suitable grips that have either a soft or a smooth clamping surface and a 2.5mm hex key, undo the retaining screw and remove the adjuster. Remove the detent balls and springs. Set that to one side. Then remove the standard plate. You may need some grips to help you with this. It's not fixed on, but you can get a little bit of stiction from any grease that's already on there. So it just needs a little helping hand to get that off. Wipe the surface clean. Wipe the surface clean on your adjuster knob. So then with our replacement plate, we want a little bit of grease just where the detents are, just a little light covering, a little smear on the rear, just help hold that into position. Then we take our new detent springs that are in the pack. These are slightly firmer to give a more positive click because there's only effectively one ball engaging in a click at a time. So we want a little touch of grease on the end here, and then add the detent balls. So then making sure that the adjuster is set to the minimum position by just putting pressure with your thumb onto the end of that silver shaft in there and rotating it anti-clockwise. Then line the minus detent line up with the alignment point on the plate. Hold your adjuster knob in place. Take your retaining screw, add a dab of Loctite, and install the screw, keeping the line aligned. And tighten with your grips that either have a flat surface or a soft surface, just to hold that adjuster knob in position, and then you have 8 clicks. You can see those half clicks, and that's it. Thanks for watching.